Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Rainbow Cassette. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Colorful Cassette SLR2. Specifications. Brand name, ZTTO. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Gear number, 11 speed. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 11-50T. Freewheel speed, 11. Origin, mainland China. Components, freewheel. Item number 4 is Z1S 11 speed 11-46T cassette. Specifications. Brand name, Z1S. Model number, Z11S SHGUT46. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 72 sounds. Gear number, 11 speed. Material, aluminum. Gear teeth, 11-46T. Freewheel speed, 11. Origin, mainland China. Components, freewheel. As the item number 3 we've selected, MTB Bike XD Cassette. Specifications. Model number, XD Cassette Colorful Flywheel. Material, alloy. Is customized, no. Gear teeth, 10-46T, 10-51T. Freewheel speed, 11S, 12S. Components, freewheel. System, XD system. Color, vacuum electroplating colorful. Item number 2 is Racework Mountain Bike Ultralight Cassette. Specifications. Brand name, Racework. Model number, 11-50T RK XX1. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Flywheel adjustable gear number, 11 speed. Material, alloy. Gear teeth, 11-50T. Freewheel speed, 11. Origin, mainland China. Components, freewheel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Sunshine Colorful MTB Cassette. Specifications. Brand, Sunshine SC. Is customized, no. Gear number, 12. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 11-50T. Freewheel speed, 12. Color, rainbow. Origin, mainland China. Components, freewheel.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.